And then it said, hey, here's something I noticed. It's not very clear. I can't tell very clearly if they're liked or not already. And then it said, okay, cool. I went ahead and I open the post before liking into the skill. So without me even asking it to, after it ran the skill, it basically gave itself feedback on what worked and what didn't. And then it fixed itself. So over time, it's going to get smarter every time it runs the skills. And it builds more context and more memory over time as you talk to it more and as you do more things. Now, you guys saw how quickly and easy it was for me to create this routine over here with coffee. And what I did here is I ran this based on a schedule. So I ran this, weekdays at 7 a.m. But what else you can do is you can run things here on actual triggers. So on a Slack message, on a GitHub event, on a Teams message. These are currently the triggers right now, just the same way in N8N you had all these different, Gmail triggers and things like that. I'm assuming that these are going to become much, much more broad. Like there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of triggers in here, but right now we're starting off with just these 6. So watch this. I'm going to create a new agent real quick, and I'm going to call this one sort of like my media agent. And I'm going to connect this agent to Slack, and so that it can basically notify me when there's things going on in the Slack channels that have to do with sponsorships or new videos or new opportunities, anything to do with the media side that I deal with in Slack with a few different teams. You're going to be helping me manage media, sponsorships, things like that, all within Slack. And so you notice how I'm spinning up agents to do very, very specific things. Even on their website, on Grokbot, it's basically showing you that agents should be doing one specific job: sales outbound, talent scout, paid media, expense manager. If you try to make one mega agent do a ton of different things, it's just going to get confused, and there's going to be all these routines. It won't be as good.